Looking for a property with no compromise on both quality and location? Then Krisumi is for you. Krisumi is an Indo-Japanese joint venture of Krishna Group and Sumitomo Corporation. We are at India's smallest highway, CPR, that connects to NH8 and Dwarka Expressway, facing 220 acres of lush greens, rubbing shoulders with heliport, ISBT, metro and the upcoming global city. It is spread across 35 acres. It would have schools, mall, commercial inside with residences and a 2 lakh square feet of Cascades Club and other amenities. Absolutely incredible. We started at around 2019. This project was trading at 8,500 square feet, now reaching around a ballpark figure of 23,000 square feet. We still have attractive payment plans. What are you waiting for? If you are looking for your dream address, then I'm the one to help you reach out to it.